All right, we got her loaded. I forgot the key. That would have been a lot easier to load with a key. You ever done that? Forgot the key? That's kind of dumb. Whatever.
Keep going. You're stuck in another hole.
Got a tire underneath to hold it up. Got it in neutral and away we go. On the road again this morning, and we're on the road about every day. Today I got my Cool Dude glasses from the Cool Dudes at the Cool Dude stores because I was desperate for a pair of sunglasses. But we're headed over to Leeds in the Babylon area to get a vehicle that's stuck down in a sand chute, hauling a little pop-up trailer. So we'll get over there and get them taken care of, and we'll take you along for the ride. Get them! Oh! There she goes. She goes.
Casey.
Well, we hooked that little trailer up and gonna go down here and get it turned around, but we're gonna get up in front of him. We're gonna bawl him out of here. I told him he had to turn the traction control off and drive that thing like it was stolen, but we'll get down here and see how that goes and work our way out of here, hopefully. so if you're just bombing right along, when you hit that cattle guard, just keep your foot in it. Okay. And you'll hit. Got a couple from Canada with their 3 kids. That was nice folks there. They were down here visiting the States and been doing a loop around Utah and got down this little, I call it a sand trap, I guess, and was able to get them out of there no problem. Had a nice little chat with them about the countryside and the water and the growth and all that stuff I think a lot of places are facing, but we got down in there and got them turned around and had a pretty good time. And what a morning, beautiful southern Utah morning, 65 degrees. And anyways, hey, come here, get in, let's go. Is that Cameron? Get in back. I gotta tell you, I am one blessed guy. Look at my office.